Hello everybody, this is Connie. Yes, I'm still outside working on cleaning out my craft room, but I received another Scarlet Line Planner Society kit and I wanted to share it with you. This might be my last one, I'm not sure yet. I had ordered, well, I told you that I had, in my last video, that I had ordered one of the planner covers like I had ordered for this one. You know, I absolutely love it, and I love the way that Christy, you know, they're made very well. I mean, this is held up so good. So I wanted a little bit smaller one to carry in my purse, and so the last kit was so pretty. The ones with the lemons and the different colors, very pretty colors on the lemons were like on the inside of the cover, and it was very like bluish colors on the outside. Anyway, I ordered one. I paid for it already. You had to pre-order, and I still haven't received it, and I'm pretty sure it's been, I guess it's, you know, I'm giving it time. You know, I think it says 4 to 6 weeks. Well, I think it's been that long. I don't know why I haven't received it yet. I know it takes a while, I'm sure, to make these. But it's kind of frustrating because I was really wanting to play with it, you know, but, you know, it is what it is. But anyway, here we go. I received another kit, and I just wanted to share it with you. I haven't opened it yet. I did pop it open just to see the colors, and they are so pretty. I mean, I can imagine a planner made out of all of this stuff, so let's just get to work on showing it to you. I do like to use the bags, so give me a second and I will try to loosen without tearing it up with my pokey tool. I got this on meme.com, or mememadeit.com. I love it. It's very good at poking out, like if you do die cuts or whatever. It's really good at cleaning your dies out and getting everything out of your dies, and it's good for different things on the craft table. I hope I don't rip it. It is so humid here. It's supposed to be a little bit cooler. It rained this morning. Of course, it rains every day. This is Florida, of course. I watch a girl that's in England. I think it's Helen Griffin. I love to watch her crafts, and I love her accent. And she said it was 29 Celsius. Of course, they go by the metric system in England, so I looked it up. That's 84 degrees. I wish it was 84 degrees here. Helen, if you're watching, it is 34 Celsius here. That's like in the 90s. Yeah, hopefully it's gonna cool off. Anyway, everything is Christmas in July, of course. Oh, look at that. I wonder if that happened in shipping or if I just did that. I don't know. Well, I guess it don't matter. It's at the bottom. Got a nice piece there to work with. And here is the page flags. Very pretty. It's just got the words and everything to go on them. And what do we have here? Looks like we got a little album. I like to save the little bags too. You never know when you might need one for a shaker or something. The air conditioner just kicked on for inside. It's not too bad. It's kind of less stuffy. I had to fix some plastic over here beside me. The screen is kind of deteriorated, and I need to close this in. Outside porch in. One day it'll get there. Yeah, looks like it's just a photo album. That's cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See what I mean? I'm absolutely in love with unicorns. I collected unicorns as a child, and when I became an adult, I got a unicorn tattoo, and then lo and behold, you know, 30 years later, unicorns are the fab. Unicorns and mermaids. That is adorable. Oh, such pretty pens too. My pen that I got that had the diamond on the end of it, that matched, no, not the one that matched this last kit, but a different one. The diamond broke and fell off, so I don't know what to do. Oh, forgot, you got to turn them by the bottom down here. I also have a couple of these that, you know, with wear and tear, they tear up. But I mean, what pen doesn't when you wear it out? Oh, and a stamp. Oh, she's pretty. Love it. Definitely summer. Definitely summer. Oh, oh my goodness. That is adorable. Oh, believe me. Oh my goodness, I just see a bunch of stuff. This is like an applique, and it's made into a sticker. And oh my goodness, it's not made out of paper. It's made out of something a little bit stronger. But it might be too big to wear on on my badge holder for work, but I love it. Oh, I'll go through those in a minute. Just love those. Adorable. Oh, and here's some more of these pockets. I love these. These are really nice for inside your planner. Since this has got unicorns on it, I might have to make me a little mini album to carry in my purse, because I just need one. My other one, it does great in the in my purse, but I do carry it to work. I do have carry my stuff in it for work. I love these pockets, you know, and they peel off right here, and they just cute. All right, here's the sticker pack, and where's my pokey tool? Air conditioner's loud. Sorry about that. I don't want this video to be too long. It takes me forever to load the videos, and I don't know. Is that normal? Anybody can tell me down below. Please tell me what I'm doing wrong, or if I need to do it better. I've said many times that, you know, I've got a regular camera that I'm going to hook up in my craft room whenever I get it going, so I can hook it up to the laptop, you know, so I can upload a little bit easier, I think. But I'm not going to fuss about putting these back. I'll put them back whenever I'm done. These are cute. I did a spread in my planner over here, well, in my Happy planner that I bought to go in my notebook. Oh, those are pretty. I'm a blondie. You can't tell by looking how fair I am. But I don't matter. The Planner Society girl right there. That's cute. Oh, I love summer. I don't care how hot it gets. I love summer. I don't complain. I was born and raised here, so, I mean, what can you do? What are these? Oh, these are so pretty. See, I can't get upset because I just love this stuff, but, you know, when you don't get what you want. These are stickers. Oh, these are really nice. They're made out of a vinyl type material, applique type. Well, not applique, but you know what I mean. Cute. I use the boards too. The boards are really nice. Okay, before we get to the papers, and the papers weren't in a film pocket like the rest of the stuff was. That's kind of different. Usually it is. I don't know. we'll see. Kind of waiting, you know, before I do. I want to try other things, you know, because there's a lot other societies on there and kits that you can get. Break the rules. Okay. The possibilities are endless. It's kind of fun to go to do the impossible. Love always wins, that's for sure. It's kind of fun to do the impossible. Best dreams happen when you're awake. Okay. Oh, I just love these. Oh, upside down. Cute. There has to be a unicorn in here somewhere. I love the pineapples. Pineapples just scream summer. That's cute. Here he is. Oh, that's perfect in size. I like the surfboard and the purses and the flowers. Very cute. Cameras. I made what am I trying to say, paper clips out of some of them from the kit that I made my I don't know. Sometimes I don't know what some of these things are. I guess that's a light that hangs down. I don't know. I don't know that it would hang like that, but maybe. I think it would hang like that. It's like something like a lantern. Very cute. And beach towels. Another dark-headed girl. And some fairer-skinned girls, which doesn't matter to me. Wish I was dark-skinned, especially living in Florida. But my dad's Irish blood, so I think if I had my mom's, that I would probably tan. Pretty. These are very pretty. Anywho, absolutely cute. Here's the papers. And they're double-sided papers and they're very thick. There's 2 of each. That's pretty. I love the acetate. Love that. And the vellum, very pretty. And what is this? It's like vellum, it's foiled vellum. This is some type of like a vinyl grade type of material. Very cute. Well, y'all, this one had unicorns in it, so I'm not disappointed at all. The colors, I'm never disappointed in the, you know, I'm never disappointed. I'm just disappointed I haven't got my book that I had ordered, my notebook. That's okay. This is cute. I don't know if there's a way to put it in a journal. I'm sure you could. I could probably make one with this. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Just stay tuned. Anywho, I'm very tired if you can't tell. Oh, and I forgot the washi tape. Oh my goodness. Look, can you see? Here, maybe you can see right there. What that is, it is a unicorn, but what it is, it's a blow-up floaty, you know, for the pool or the beach or whatever. Adorable. Just adorable. I'm in love. Well, guys, that is, anyway, I was going to say, I'm so tired. I was busy at work. I was hoping to get a video in this week because I hadn't done one last week because it's just so hot and tiring. Anyway, y'all have a wonderful rest of the week. I would love to be able to come back on with maybe a project share, and I always say that, but it never seems to happen. So I'm not going to say it anymore. If it happens, it happens. Anyway, y'all have a wonderful day. Have a safe day. Say your prayers, and I'll talk to you later. Bye now.